Hello students, good afternoon. Welcome to IDVM Memorial classes. Now let us solve some examples of hyperbola. ठीक है, क्या है? Example 14. Find the coordinate of the foci and the vertices, the eccentricity and the length of latus rectum of hyperbola. There are two questions given. One is x square by 9 minus y square by 16 equal to 1, and next is second y square minus 16x square equal to 16. ठीक है, so first we'll convert these two equation in the form of standard equation of hyperbola. Then we'll compare both the equation separately with the corresponding equation of hyperbola. यानी ये जिस तरह के इक्वेशन होंगे उनके तरह के स्टैंडर्ड इक्वेशन से हम कंपेयर करेंगे. तो पहले हम ये देख लेते हैं कि स्टैंडर्ड इक्वेशन क्या होते हैं. That basically depends upon the axis of parabola. When axis of parabola is along x-axis, यदि पैराबोला का शेप इस तरह से हो जिसके फोकाई एक्स एक्सिस पर हो, वर्टिसेज एक्स एक्सिस पर हो, उस केस में इक्वेशन ऑफ पैराबोला क्या होता है? केस वन, व्हेन एक्सिस इज along एक्स एक्सिस, देन इक्वेशन ऑफ हाइपरबोला, सॉरी मैं पैराबोला बोल दिया था. Equation of hyperbola is x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. In this case, coordinate of foci will be plus minus c0, vertices plus minus a0. Now eccentricity e equal to c by a and length of latus rectum 2b square by a. This eccentricity and length of latus rectum will be same for both the cases, whether axis is along x-axis or along y-axis. Case 2, when axis is along y-axis, in this case, equation of hyperbola is y square by a square minus x square by a square equal to 1. In this case, coordinate of foci will be 0 plus minus c and coordinate of vertices will be 0 plus minus a. Here, eccentricity and length of latus rectum will be same as in case of एक्सिस along एक्स एक्सिस. ठीक है, तो these are the basic thing जो हमें समझना था. once this is understood, यानी ये चीज जब समझ में आ गई तो solving these questions are very easy. ठीक है, इन क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करना बहुत आसान है यदि हमें ये बेसिक चीजें समझ में आ गई हो. तो let us solve क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. नाउ सॉल्यूशन ऑफ 1 क्या है? गिवन इक्वेशन इज x square by 9 minus y square by 16 equal to 1. Now ये इक्वेशन किस फॉर्म में है? x square by a square minus y square by b square. ठीक है, when we compare this equation with x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1, we get, comparing this equation with equation with x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1, we get क्या मिलेगा? a equal to a square is 9, here a square is 9 implies a equal to 3 and b square equal to 16 implies that b equal to 4. So we got the value of a and b. ठीक है, once value of a and b is known, we can find the value of c by relation. c square क्या होता है? That is a square plus b square. Now here 9 plus 16 that is 25. Hence c will be equal to under root 5. ठीक है, plus minus 5 दोनों होगा, but here c is distance, so we will take only absolute value, that is plus 5 under root 5. Now once a, b and c is known, then the given question में जो भी हमें पूछा गया है, that is coordinate of foci, vertices, the eccentricity and length of latus rectum can be calculated easily. How? So देखो क्या हो जाएगा. hence coordinate of foci plus minus c0 and here c की वैल्यू 5 है, अंडर रूट 5, सो दिस इज प्लस माइनस अंडर रूट 5 0. ठीक है, Now coordinate of vertices, here value of a is 3, so coordinate of vertices क्या होगा? Coordinates of vertices plus minus a0 and value of a is 3, so this is 3 0. Now the next क्या है? Eccentricity, a equal to c by a. Here value of c is under root 5 by a is 3. So eccentricity E equal to c by a. Now length of latus rectum equal to 2b square by a, that is 2 into value of b is 4, b square is 16 by a is 3, so this will be 32 by 3, that is length of latus rectum is 32 by 3. ठीक है, so इस तरह से we have solved this question very easily once this concept is clear. ठीक है, so now let us see the next question in the next video, that is y square minus 16x square equal to 16. इसका सॉल्यूशन क्या होगा? तो इसे नोट करो, मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन के सॉल्यूशन के साथ. ओके, बाय.